Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ISLAMICCoin. Now the ISLAMICCoin has a huge following. They have over 1 million Twitter followers. We're going to go over the information on the ISLAMICCoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the ISLAMICCoin, I saw an ad for it on Twitter. I was just scrolling through Twitter. Ad popped up. It said ISLAMICCoin dropping September 1st. Clicked on the link. Took me over to their Twitter at Islamic_coin, and I'll put that up over here as usual so you guys can easily find this token. They have 1.1 million followers on their Twitter. It's astonishing that I have never heard about this coin. I mean, obviously because it's not out yet, but over 1 million followers. So they have a full link tree on their Twitter here. They have the gold verified check mark there, over 1,000 tweets as well. And basically they have tons of socials you could join as well. They have Telegram, Discord, Instagram, all that type of stuff. And it says they just joined in April 2022. So their Twitter's about a year old, over 1 million followers. And this is part of the HAQQ network, HAQQ. You could also find a link to the HAQQ Network's Twitter at _HAQQ Network. And that is their own blockchain, the HAQQ blockchain. And we'll talk about that in a second here. It says HAQQ Network is a scalable and interoperable Ethereum-compatible blockchain built on proof of stake with fast finality. Now, the ticker symbol for the ISLAMICCoin is ISLM, and it says the ISLAMICCoin, ticker symbol ISLM, is the native currency of HAQQ. So the HAQQ network has 20,000 Twitter followers, obviously not as much or even close to as much as the ISLAMICCoin. Now, if you go over to their link tree, there's a website. It'll take you over to IslamicCoin.net, Twitter, Discord, YouTube, a couple different Telegram channels, all in different languages, Arabic, Indonesian, international. And then they have an Instagram, LinkedIn, Medium, another Twitter for the HAQQ network, and a GitHub. Now, if you go over to their webpage, you can find a full white paper, gigantic white paper, talking about the HAQQ blockchain. All the information is on there about what HAQQ is. And then they have a roadmap on here. So they started all the way back in May 5th, 2022. It says HAQQ mainnet launch with POA consensus and pre-sale start. So that is the pre-sale for the HAQQ blockchain coin. And then it says June 2nd, 2022, Gnosis safe development on HAQQ mainnet. And then in June, HAQQ testnet or test edge launch with POA consensus. And then the ISLAMICCoin shatters record, secures $200 million in the bear market. And there's an article about that in investing.com, and that happened last year. And then August, 150 plus independent validators joined HAQQ, and then 750 validators. And then they had mobile wallet and ledger support released on Google Play and Apple App Store, so you could find that. Launch of the IBC inter-blockchain communication connecting HAQQ to other IBC-enabled networks. Pardon the door there. Pardon the doorbell. Then we have the Gravity Bridge integrated with the HAQQ network. And then this year, Q1, bridge the ISLM to Ethereum. And then Q2 this year, we had the private sale ended. So they had a private sale for the ISLAMICCoin already, and that is over. So then it says network transition from POA to POS, proof of stake, and then mining starts. And there's an article about that in Century Coinomics. And then we had the security for the HAQQ wallet, Web3 browsing in HAQQ wallet. And then here we are, Q3. So we're going to have, coming up, the ISLM coin is going to be listed on exchanges. Then NFT support in the HAQQ wallet. Then NFT avatars, ERC20 tokens in the HAQQ wallet. And then we're going to have Oracle implementation into the HAQQ wallet. And then goes from there into Q4 this year. We're going to have Evergreen DAO implementation. So you're going to have voting rights if you are a coin holder. And then the mobile app marketplace in the HAQQ wallet. And then going into Q4 also, integration of a payment method with 20 major partners. And then launch of Swiss payment card, MasterCard, backed by IslamicCoin. Integration with crypto fiat processing services, making IslamicCoin available as a payment method in hundreds of merchants in MENA. And then plastic and mobile cards. And then last phase, 2024, gold-pegged stablecoin will come out in cooperation with the top UAE banks. So that is their roadmap. Now, like I said, you can check out their full white paper, but if you go over to IslamicCoin.net, it says get ISLM at the bottom of the page. So if you're looking to get this token, click on that. And then it says IslamicCoin will be available in various central exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Check this section for updates. And it says stay tuned for updates, and you can plunk in your email, and you're subscribing basically to a newsletter, and they're going to tell you exactly when the IslamicCoin will come out and which central exchanges and decentralized exchanges. So that is how you would get the token or get the coin. And so yeah, put in your email if you want to, or you can, if you don't want to do that, you can just continuously check back on their webpage and see what's new in the Get IslamicCoin section. Now they also have a stake ISLM token section at the bottom of the page. Wallets, you can check out HAQQ Network, HAQQ Documents, Media Kit, partnerships, roadmap that I just went through, careers, you can try to get a job, LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, Medium articles, YouTube, all their stuff is down there. Now, if you go to their webpage, it says the currency of the HAQQ ecosystem serves the Muslim community, promotes Islamic values. You can watch a video. IslamicCoin is the native currency of HAQQ, a community-run network dedicated to empowering an ethics-first, compliant financial ecosystem. IslamicCoin has a finite total supply, and 10% of each issuance is automatically dedicated to philanthropic purposes. So probably charity they're going to give to or something along those lines. Our mission is to empower the world's Muslim community with financial instruments for the digital age that enable seamless transactions and interaction while supporting innovation and philanthropy. So if you scroll down, you can find tons of news articles talking about this project, the IslamicCoin, and how they did well in their private sale. So the private sale is over, and at the top of their webpage, it said, be aware of scams, private sale is over. So if people are trying to sell you, saying that there's a pre-sale or private sale, it's not available yet. I believe it is September 1st, but again, just go to that newsletter section. It says it's on CoinMarketCap as well. You can find it on there. And they go over the executive board. They go over the advisory board, all these different people that are involved with this project and the team. They have all different members on their webpage. So check it all out. IslamicCoin is a halal digital asset designed to create value for the Muslim community. It's built on the native HAQQ blockchain. And you can read all about the HAQQ blockchain too in the document section there. And they go over the IslamicCoin workflow. It says the future IslamicCoin's immense potential is backed by global influence of the Muslim world. 1 billion Muslim internet users. And that is most likely why they have such a huge following on their Twitter. 1.1 million Twitter followers. So go check out the Twitter. Check out their webpage, IslamicCoin.net. I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about IslamicCoin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Let me know what you guys think about the HAQQ blockchain as well, if you review the documents and learn about it and all that type of stuff. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Most likely, IslamicCoin is very big, so I'm assuming it's going to be listed on some of those central exchanges down there in the description box. So check those out. Those are some good ones. And thanks for everybody who's been hitting that join button and super thanks and all those things. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.